Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Sunday. Hopefully a happy Sunday. The weather was hot yesterday and it's going to continue to be hot today. Unfortunately. So yeah. Shirt for the day. I'll be in the kitchen. Yep, shirt for the day. I think this is turning into one of my favorites. I have several. All right. Last night, we were in our neighbors to the north, Canada, where I prepared Nova Scotia fish chowder. I know that accent's not Canadian. I grew up kind of like across the border from Canada. I was born right outside of Detroit. Saw a lot of Canadian money, saw a lot of Canadian license plates. Yeah, I really didn't have any friends that were actually from Canada. That's okay. So the fish chowder was actually really good. Nothing like having chowder on a 100-degree day, but it was good. Everything is spot on. The recipe, it's kind of the method is kind of wonky, but it all makes sense if you think about it. A lot of preheating of liquids, water, milk, so forth. So try it. You probably like it, really. I diced everything pretty small. Normally I don't, but this one I went, I think that's a good idea. That's what I did. It worked out really, really well. Today is Sunday dinner day with Robin. Last week, she basically says, I'm craving your macaroni salad. So I'm like, okay. I says, now if I make a full batch, you got to take some home. Because I can't eat it all. And I shouldn't eat it all. She agreed to that. So I'm doing my macaroni salad. And I found some beautiful St. Louis style ribs on sale. So I'm doing my oven baked barbecue ribs. The rub is mine and the sauce is mine. So let's get to it. All right, I think this is the start of the hardware. For the ribs, all I need is a sheet pan and a roll of good old foil. And I also need the small saucepan, so I do cook my sauce just a little bit at a low simmer. The Dutch oven is for the pasta, for the macaroni salad. Of course, what the strainer and or colander is for. So basic hardware for today. We're going to start with the macaroni salad. It's pretty basic. I love using something other than elbow macaroni, so I'm going to be using medium shells. That's about 2 cups. Red onion, red bell pepper, Roma tomato, sugar. This is granulated sugar. I'll be using Duke's mayonnaise, Heinz yellow mustard, sour cream. There will be diced celery, about a tablespoon or 2 of chopped up flat leaf parsley, Italian style, a little bit of vinegar, and some kosher salt and black pepper. These are in the middle because the vinegar and the pepper and salt also go into the ribs. Here's the beautiful ribs, all vacuum sealed and yummy. For the rub, it's basically brown sugar. I'm going to be using Arbol chili powder, Indian paprika, garlic powder, and ground mustard with salt and pepper. And then for the sauce, again, it's the salt and pepper, Indian paprika, garlic powder, ground mustard, onion powder, Desi Mirch, and smoked paprika. The base is Heinz tomato ketchup. a few tablespoons of molasses, brown sugar, just a little bit of water, and some Lee and Perrins Worcestershire sauce. So here's all the goodies for tonight's Sunday dinner with Robin. So I'll probably be making the macaroni salad early on so I can get it in the fridge, the cold box, so all the ingredients marry, get together, for several hours. It's just, you just want to get that nice, full rounded flavor. The ribs will go in the hot, after I get everything done with the ribs and everything, actually will go in for just over 2 hours. It's a fairly easy day, bunch of prep, but that's what I do. It's okay. So, on this Sunday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.